because this is the way I want everybody should grow. You also try to grow vegetables and whatever little you can grow in totally organic and natural way. Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, today I am on my terrace to tell you what all seeds I have sowed till now. Today is 23rd of February and I have sowed many seeds, and I want to tell you what all seeds I have sowed. Let me show you what all I have sowed. I hope friends you are familiar with these 4 rectangular pots. In this I have sowed the seed of bitter gourd, that is Karela. And in this rectangular pot I have sowed the seeds of bottle gourd, that's Ghia. And in this pot I have sowed the seeds of kakdi, we call it tar also in Hindi. And in this pot, in half of this I have sowed the seeds of cucumber, and in half of this I have sowed the seeds of Indian squash, that is tinda. Now I want to tell you, in these 4 pots and in these 2 buckets I have sowed the seeds of pumpkin, but it's a different kind of pumpkin. We call it chappan kaddu in Hindi. So this is the first time I am trying to grow this chappan kaddu. Let's see what happens, and I'll keep you updating whatever happens. These are the grow bags which I showed you in one of my videos, and they are very big, and I hope a lot of ladyfinger will come out of it. And on this side again 2 grow bags are there. In one of this I have put the seeds of pumpkin, kaddu as we call in Hindi, and in this also I have put the seeds of pumpkin. Here I have written kaddu. One of these I have written kaddu, and in one of these I have written pumpkin. So it's okay. And this is my guava growing great. I hope it grows well. Here again I have 2 big round pots. In one of these I have sowed the seeds of watermelon, and in the other one I have sowed the seeds of melon. And here again you can see the soil which is being solarized. If you watch my videos regularly, you know that after the winter vegetables were over, I just took out the soil of all the pots one by one, and then kept the soil in the sun for a few days, and after that I refilled the pots. And in this white rectangular pot again are the seeds of watermelon, and here are few small pots having the seeds of flowers. And here in this small tray I have put the seeds of red capsicum in half of this, and in half of this I have put the seeds of yellow capsicum. And in this one small pot I sowed the seeds of zucchini, and I put 2 seeds but only one has germinated, but I think it is growing well. And in this low height pot I have put the seeds of capsicum, and a kashi mirch here, and here gol mirch, that is chili. So these are 2 kinds of chilies, a kashi mirch and gol mirch, and here I have put the seeds of capsicum. And in this pot I have put some seeds of flower named chui mui, because you know flowers are also important if you want to do gardening. And here I have put the seeds of Aparajita. And if you watch my videos regularly, you must be knowing about my passion to grow microgreens. Here this time I have grown these microgreens in small pots instead of all the rectangular trays which I used to take earlier. So I just wanted to grow this time in these small pots. I will show you what all microgreens are growing here. Radish microgreens, sunflower microgreens, broccoli microgreens, pak choi microgreens, and in these 2, in both these pak choi microgreens are there because I love these microgreens. And here pea microgreens in this square pot, and in this spinach microgreens, and wheatgrass microgreens will grow here. Yesterday only I have put the seeds here, and they will grow nice and big in another 5 to 6 days. I am sure about it. See friends, I hope you can listen to the sound of this. Here in this are the seeds of rich gourd, that is tori. And in the last season, the last summers, one of the rich gourds I just kept on the plant itself to be dried there only, and after it dried, all the seeds also dried afterwards. Now I'll use these seeds only to grow ridge gourd or tori in my pots. In the last summer I told you how to save your own seeds of tomatoes and ladyfinger, and now I am showing you the seeds of ridge gourd. So you can see, I'll just take out some of these. You can see so many of seeds. There must be around 100 seeds in this ridge gourd. So see, all these seeds are for free and organic. And I hope you know that I don't put any chemical fertilizer or pesticide in my plants, because I grow vegetables on my terrace in totally natural and organic way. This is the way I want everybody should grow. You also try to grow vegetables and whatever little you can grow in totally organic and natural way. So if we eat good food, healthy food, organic food, natural food, and which will be without pesticide or fertilizers, it will be good for us. What we serve on the platter of our family members matters a lot. So I want to convince you, I want to tell you, I want to request you friends to start growing whatever little you can grow on your terrace or in your balcony, whatever little space you have, so that we can have at least some food which is grown organically in a very natural way. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.